Hey guys, Angelo from the DM and Friends, and as you can see in the title of this, we hit 2,000 subscribers. What a milestone! And I am absolutely just blown away. I really am just doing this video because I want to just say thank you to you guys, and then maybe give you a little sneak peek of what's coming and what I have planned for the channel. Um, I was going to do this video outside, but obviously we all know in the US right now it's super cold. So I'm inside for this. The last one I did outside, which is a little different. But anyways, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone. And I was going to individually, call out everybody and say thank you to them. But I know I'm going to forget somebody. And so I'm just going to leave it as a big thank you to everyone out there. That includes all the co-hosts and the guests and the people that I've been uh, texting on how-tos back and forth. You guys know who you are, and it's just wow, you guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for all the guidance, for all the love and all the feedback and all the fun. I just love this community. I love gaming. I love all games. I mean, obviously, I love Dungeons and Dragons probably the most, but I just really am blown away. And I wanted to kind of give you guys a little sneak peek on what is on the horizon for the channel. But wow, yeah. So here's a little sneak peek of what we have in store for us. Um, I want to continue doing the con live streams. So next month I'll be at Orccon on the West Coast, but I do have some little better equipment that this time. Hopefully, uh, it'll be a little better as far as stability and user experience. But I want you guys that are not able to make the con live through me while I'm there. So I'm looking forward to continue doing that, taking pictures and sharing with you guys and live streaming if I can, and I'm talking to people. So I'm going to continue doing that. I'll be at other cons this year, but that's the next one is Orccon. Um, talking about live streams, I'm going to continue doing my weekly live stream. I'm currently doing it on Thursday night, so for the next 2 weeks, I'll be doing it Thursday nights as usual. But then I'm going to be moving it to Monday, so just be ready for that. Kind of have a conflict with Thursday nights, so we're going to be going Monday nights. I am going to continue doing my How to Be a Better Dungeon Master series, which has been the feedback from that series has been super awesome, and I really do love making those types of videos on little aspects of the game, how to handle certain situations and different mechanics and things. So I'm going to continue doing that until I just um, don't have anything else to do with that. But that I think is a very key reason why I started this channel, is because I want to talk to the community. I see a lot of questions on Reddit and this and Facebook, and how do I do that? So I just really thought it'd be a really kind of cool thing to do videos on stuff. Sometimes I go and I look for how to this and it pops up, and so that's really kind of been a bread and butter of this channel, and I want to continue doing that. But there's other things too, and one of it is I do want to start putting out some Greyhawk content, because that is my #1 campaign setting that I love the most. It's been around forever, and I've used it forever, and so I want to dive into aspects of that. Starting with the gods and going through a whole slew of stuff, and that's going to be a lot of fun, and I look forward to doing that. So stay tuned for that. Also, another series that I'm actually starting a first recording tomorrow will be on some articles of Dragon Magazine. Obviously, we all grew up and loved Dragon Magazine, and there's some people that have never experienced them too. So there's my first round is going to be diving through all the NPC classes that are associated with AD&D, and I'm going to go through them and show you how you can use them in your campaign, or as NPCs, or how you can use them as player characters, which I've successfully done with a lot of them. So I'm going to go dive through that. Continuing to have special guests on our live stream, and then continue doing interviews. Have a whole slew of people, which I won't name here because don't want to give spoilers out, but I have a whole slew of people that are coming on that you guys all probably know, and some of you might not know. But interviews, special guests on the live streams, and really looking forward to that. So the live streams will every week. I'm going to have somebody brand new on the show, or we can just have some fun and talk about things. Or a lot of people are coming out with new products that I love to showcase, as you know already. So we'll continue doing that. Um, the the um, the other thing is I have a bunch of not a bunch, but I have a couple people that I'm going to be doing collaborations with in one form or another. So I'm looking forward to doing that and kind of sharing the knowledge in a collaborative way. So that's going to be a lot of fun too. So anyways, guys, that kind of is what's in store for the channel. I really, appreciate all the support and all the love and all the back and forth. And this is the DM and friends. So friends is plural, and that's us. And I just really look forward to getting to know all you guys and getting to you know, getting to talk to everybody. And, that's what I love doing. I love this community. I love this game. This community has literally saved my life. That's why I'm here today. And, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you guys and love y'all. Take care and game on, guys. Bye bye.